You have a small office, a small place, somewhere that you need to put a smoke detector, as well as a carbon monoxide, like you have an indoor garage, or you just want to be safe around the house. This product may be right for you. So what we're going to do is just unbox it and show you that this is one of the products of many that you can get and place around your house. Let's get a nice close-up look. Hobbies gives you screws and anchors, double self-adhesive sticker. There's the alarm, and it looks like this just came off so easy when I was trying very hard to take it off. And you have the screw holes, one that goes up and down, the other one that goes left and right. And it has a instruction, smoke carbon monoxide model CS01. Battery specs are 3 volts, a CR14505 lithium battery that's inside that should last a number of years. Now it has a 10-minute silencer. You can read the instructions and all the information provided and showing you where to put it. Now I don't see anywhere on here that I can be able to hit things, but it is, as you can see, pressable, so that may be a way to activate it by going on and off. So let's read further into detail on how to operate this unit. And this is why we read instructions to figure things out. In the center, you're going to hold it for a number of seconds and it should activate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can hear it clicking when I press it in the center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, the indicator, it's lit. And to press it again, you're going to see the indicator right here. I'm long pressing. There's the light right there. And that's how you use the unit. Let's say this is where I want my smoke detector right here. I know to put it up nice and high. If I press the center button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you see a little red light. I do apologize for not showing you a close-up. I am going to take a piece of cardboard. I'm going to light it and try to make this go off. So please don't do this at home. If we have a fire, it's going to take some time. The alarm goes off and we silence it. They could go just about anywhere imaginable. This is where my smoke detector is going to go. In the garage it has carbon monoxide. So if the car is ever left on, this will warn me and definitely help saving lives. It has a lithium battery that will last for a very, very long time. It is non-replaceable. You could probably open it up and replace it indeed. Check online for further details about the product. And I hope you enjoy the smoke detector, protecting all around the house. Have a great day with your smoke detector.